And when I was 21 years old, I was still doing my services, and on the side, I started selling a course to teach others how I made money with services. Because the real thing that I wanted to do was sell courses, and I thought it was a more valuable transformation than teaching people, I don't know, English for example. And one day I wake up, it's 6 a.m., I'm about to make myself a cup of tea, do some deep work for 45 minutes, and then just drive to the gym as per usual, and I see on my phone a notification saying that somebody joined my Slack group. So I'm like, wait, what the fuck? Because the only way somebody could join my Slack group is if they bought my paid program. So I started to feel this gigantic rush of adrenaline. I literally could not hold my phone straight. But then I started to have negative thoughts immediately. I started to think, well, that's probably too good to be true. They probably bought my course on the cheapest payment plan. I think it was $97 a month or $67 a month. And then their card is probably going to decline for the next payments, or they're going to want a refund, they're not going to like it, etc., etc., etc. I had all this negative chatter in my mind. And so I'm literally shaking as I open up my laptop as fast as I fucking can, and I go on my dashboard and I see it, $997. I see the big spike showing me that there's been one sale. And I look at the time, and it was 4 a.m. when that guy purchased my course. I was asleep, and I made $1,000. Now back then it wasn't every single day, I'll be honest with you. I made that, and then I didn't really make anything for like a year straight. But that was still crazy. On that day I swore I would never give up on my dreams, selling digital products. And fast forward to today, I've sold lots of high-ticket programs, and on my best days, like, my record was making $4,300 US, something like that, in 48 hours. And not revenue, I'm talking about cash collected in the bank. And that's when I wasn't even running any paid advertising. That all came from YouTube content. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.